Hello, my fellow comedy lovers. Today I'm taking you on a culinary adventure like no other with, wait for it, tahini roast potatoes with figs. Now I know what you're thinking. Have you lost your marbles? But trust me, this combo is crazier than a squirrel on caffeine and just as delightful. Alright, let's dive in. First things first, potatoes. Grab those spuds and give them a good scrub. Now don't just stare at them like they're going to peel themselves. Get a peeler and get to work. You're looking for a nice smooth potato, none of those rugged outdoorsy types. Next, chop them up into chunky pieces. Imagine you're feeding a family of hobbits. They love their taters chunky, precious. Toss those chunks into a bowl and let them chill for a bit. Now let's talk tahini. If you don't know what tahini is, it's basically peanut butter's sophisticated cousin with a degree in Middle Eastern studies. Grab a bowl and mix a few spoonfuls of tahini with olive oil, a splash of lemon juice, garlic, and a pinch of salt. Give it a good whisk, get those muscles working. Pour that creamy goodness all over your potatoes and toss them like you're trying to impress Gordon Ramsay. Spread them out on a baking tray, making sure they have enough room to breathe. No potato likes to be overcrowded. Pop them into a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius, or as I like to call it, potato paradise. While those taters are roasting away, let's get fruity with figs. Figs are like nature's candy, sweet, sticky, and oh so delicious. Slice them up into quarters and try not to eat them all before the potatoes are ready. Once the potatoes are golden brown and crispy, take them out and let them cool just a bit. We don't want any burnt tongues here. Now, layer those figs on top, like you're Bob Ross painting a happy little tree. To finish it off, drizzle some extra tahini sauce over everything. Trust me, you want that extra drizzle? It's like the cherry on top, but better. And there you have it. Tahini roast potatoes with figs. A dish so unique it'll have your taste buds doing the cha-cha. Give it a try, and if anyone asks, tell them you got the recipe from that slightly crazy but charming guy on YouTube. Remember, cooking should be fun, just like life, and so laugh, experiment, and most importantly eat. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep those potatoes and comedy coming. Cheers.